So now this is where the decorators comes into the picture. So let's try the decorators. How can we create a decorator? So for creating a decorator function, we are creating a decorator function here. Let's say it is div decorator, and we need to pass the function here in the parameter. So what will be the argument of div decorator when we call this function? So the function will be div. So let's do, we will create a inner function in this for swapping a and b. So we need to pass two parameters a and b. We can choose name xy, but we are choosing ab here, so keep it simple. And let's say if a is less than b, so if a is less than b, we will swap the value of a and b. So ab is equals to ba, and let's say now we will call our function func for computing the division. So now we are calling func, and we are passing two parameters a and b. So now we have converted, or we have swapped the values of a and b it is uh, if a is less than b. But if a is not less than b, it will directly return to this function, and it will call the func, that will be our div. So let's say now we will return the inner function here. So let's do div 2, now call div 24. So here it is returning 0.5 because we have not connected this div to this div decorator. So how can we connect this? We can pass the function name div in the arguments of div decorator. So let's do this. Div decorator function name is our div, and we can say it as the object name is div. So now if we call div 24, the output will be 2.0. This is what we want. So mm, this is how we can create a decorator function. So this is how it works. So how it is working, here we are creating a div decorator. So div decorator takes one parameter, that is function name. So first we are calling, when we are calling div 24, it is calling div decorator. So div decorator is here. So it is checking. So it is first it is uh, returning inner. So the control goes here, from here the control goes to here. So it will check if a is less than b. If it is true, then the a and b will be swapped. If it is not true, it will the control will come here, return func ab. So what is func? Func is div, and so div ab will be called, and this function will be called, and the print ab, this statement works, and the output will be like this, because a is equals to 2. So the after the swapping, a will be 4, and b will be 2. So there is another syntax for writing div decorator. So we can say it is a decorator function. So here we are saying that at div decorator. So let's say control C here. So here we are saying it is a div decorator. It is a decorator function, and let's say now we will just say div 24. So output will be same, because we are saying that this function will be the div decorator function. After the div decorator function, this function will run. So we are changing the behavior of the function div by using the decorator function div decorator. So this is how you can understand what is a decorator function. You can choose a complex example for solving this, but for now I am solving this example for keep it simple. So this was all about dev dec- uh, this was all about decorator functions.